Hello, welcome back to another exciting episode. We're going to do another unboxing. Now this box is quite beat up. Hopefully what's inside is okay. Go ahead and rip this thing apart. We got a bag with something in it. It is the digital voice recorder case for the Tascam DR40. Now this is looks like some canvas in here. Oh, it's got something inside. What does it have inside? Oh, it has a neck strap. The neck strap goes to, I don't know. Oh, I guess there's these little hooks in the back. There's one hook, there's two hooks. And I suppose these little clips go on the back of those. One. Two. There we go. That didn't look right. Maybe it goes on like a tripod or something. You can kind of just hang it. Oop, it slipped off. Hang it right there. That was not the clip, that was me. I just didn't put it on the whole way. There we go. So, not sure. We're going to have to figure that one out. But what I clipped it on was actually looked like a belt loop. So we can put it on the belt loop. Has a little side pocket here that you can put cables or whatever in there. Maybe the rest of the microphone cord or something like that if you have a microphone running from the Tascam. The compartment itself, it has a hole on the bottom so that your microphones, if you have any external microphones, can go into that. There's a couple holes in the back. I'm assuming that might line up with the tripod hole. Not 100% sure. Got to figure that one out. So let's go ahead and see if this thing actually fits. I was told it's going to be rather snug. Let's find out. So, put that thing in there. Hey, there we go. Yeah, very, very snug, which I guess is a good thing. Put that thing all the way down. There's a little ways to go. Okay, yes, it is very, very snug. No doubt about it. Okay, now on the bottom, it looks like you'll definitely be able to get quarter-inch plugs in there, but the XLR looks like you may have to move to one side or the other because the opening's not quite big enough to expose both of the XLR cables. That's kind of a bummer. But at least you can get two 3/4-inch plugs in there. So that's a good thing. The cover that goes over top, that is very, very snug as well. On the side, you have your USB port that is open, where you can plug, put power to your Tascam. So that's a good thing. On the other side, all of the buttons are exposed. So your external in button for your external mics, that is exposed. Your hold button is exposed. And your input level switch is exposed. So that is very, very good. Let's see. If you put the microphones in the outward position, you can see the microphones here. So I guess you could use that outside as well. So it does kind of, with the vinyl, you can see all the buttons. You can push all the buttons. That's nice. You can see the screen. And it gives a little bit of a weather protection, so that's kind of nice. So you can take it out in the snow, light rain it looks like. So yeah, I'm happy with this. So hopefully this will come in very, very handy. And there's not really a whole lot to go over other than that. So this is the new case, the carrying case. I'd have to get a bigger strap if I'm going to use it on the side like this. Or again, I can just put it on my belt. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet. Oh, and the holes in the back. Yep, one exposes the tripod mount, which is kind of cool. And the other one is the internal speaker. That's kind of cool. I didn't expect that. So overall, very, very happy with this. And I think I did a nice, good purchase. So I'll go ahead and put the picture up here somewhere. I'm not sure which side, but one of these two sides. I'll put the picture up that I saw it on Amazon, and perhaps I'll put a little link below in the description or title box. So if you're interested, you can go there and check it out yourself. At least that'll be a good start for your search. And as always, have a great day.